Hello friends and welcome to my channel Instant Nerds. Today we will learn how to use ChatGPT for ad copy testing. First of all, open your browser and make sure that you are logged into your ChatGPT account. So now in order to create an ad copy, you need to first select your industry. Let's say you are making an ad copy for a beauty salon. So you can write in the prompt, make 3 ad copy for a beauty salon in which they are selling their beauty cream to enhance the skin tone, and hit enter. Now just wait for a while and let's see how GPT will create ad copies for you. Alright, GPT has created 3 ad copies for you. You can also write in the prompt to do the A/B testing. Do the A/B testing for the ad and hit enter. Alright, here ChatGPT has created the A/B testing for you as well. You can view this in your ChatGPT. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you like it, please like and subscribe to our channel.